Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply the Hollywood filter in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want that celebrity style glow? The Hollywood filter in the FaceApp gives you a polished professional look instantly. Now let's see how to use it by following a few simple steps. But before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application FaceApp. We're just gonna head to the Play Store or App Store depending on which device you're using, and you're gonna type in the FaceApp in the search bar. Once you find the app, it is developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. You're gonna make sure to click on the install button, and once the installation is complete, you're gonna launch the app. After that, make sure to grant it access to your camera and also your gallery to access your photos. Now once you grant that permission, you're gonna make sure to select or upload your photo either by taking a new one or browsing through the gallery through the faces. Now once you upload your photo, you're gonna go to the filter section. Make sure to click on the photo here. The photo must have a face right here. So you're gonna, in the bottom, you're gonna see a lot of tools here. You're gonna go to the filter section and select the Hollywood filter. Let's look for the Hollywood filter. There are a lot of styles. You can adjust the pictures by styles of impressions, skins. Let's see impression, what does it have? Like you see here, you can find the Hollywood impression, the Hollywood style here. You're gonna find the Hollywood, the first Hollywood 2, and you're gonna find the Hollywood 1. Now this one requires a premium version, so if you want it, you have to pay for the premium version. You can also select the Hollywood 2. Now you're gonna apply it and adjust the intensity if available. Then you're gonna save your edited image. And that's it. The Hollywood filter gives you a clean, professional look in just a few seconds. Try it out and upgrade your photos. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.